kapatid, ay nagsimula lamang no 325 AD.
Unang tanong po, i-confirm ko lang kung tama ba yung sinabi ni Brother Jeffrey na 321 AD nagsimula ang Trinity. Yes or no?
Sorry kapatid, medyo 321 po. 325 po, sorry. 325 po kapatid. Nalito lang akong konti doon sa sa datings. 325 po. Salamat.
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years later, 3:28 a.m. tomorrow, day 2, day 3, day 4.
Okay, second question, Brother Jesse or Brother Jeffy.